Hello students, we are with the chapter polynomial of class 10 based on NCERT, and in continuation for exercise 2.2 we have to revise the sum formula. First of all, we will recall the general form of quadratic polynomial. Px is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. What is a? A is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant term of the given quadratic polynomial. It is quadratic because its power is 2 and non-negative integer. Remember it. So now I am going to tell you. Observe, here is degree 2. It means it has two zeros. If alpha and beta are two zeros, alpha and beta are two zeros, then sum of zeros means alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. To recall the sign, to remember the sign, you have to learn the general formula or general form of quadratic polynomial. For first term, you think you have to remember plus, for second minus, for third plus. That will help you. First means odd place, even place, odd place. In this way, you reach for cubic polynomial by quadratic polynomial. You will get the same formula. So here we are stick with quadratic polynomial. So sum of zeros means alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and product of zeros. Product of zeros means alpha into beta is equal to constant term c upon a. These are relation between zeros and coefficient of quadratic polynomial. And one more formula. Suppose alpha and beta, two zeros are given, and you have to find quadratic polynomial. So how to find? Px is equal to x square minus alpha plus beta, means this given value will be kept here, x plus alpha beta. You can substitute the value of alpha beta in this given formula. You will get the required quadratic polynomial. So now we are with exercise 2.2. You can see, and that will. Now we are going to do exercise 2.2. In first question, in first question, we have to find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomial. First part of the question. Second part, and verify the relation between the zeros and the coefficient of the given polynomial. The first question is given x square minus 2x minus 8, and we have to find its zeros. Clear? So you have to be very alert, and you have to firstly name the given polynomial. Let px is equal to x square minus 2x minus 8. You know how to break up? First of all, we have to find two factors of the given quadratic polynomial. So you have to think about four things. Either it will be of middle split, second a square minus b square, third a plus b whole square expansion, or fourth a minus b whole square expansion. So now you observe both are negative. It means you have to think about middle terms. So here minus 8, here 1 is hidden as the coefficient of x square. So firstly multiply 1 into 8, you will get 8. Now get it factor 4 ja, 2 ja, 2 1 ja. So we have got 3 factor. Now you have to make 2 group. So here it becomes 4. So here is minus sign, you observe. So you have to subtract it to get the middle one. The 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, and 4 into minus 2 is equal to minus 8. You get the same. So now instead of this minus 2, we can write what? 4 minus 2 x minus 8. Now x square minus 4x, this minus multiply become plus 2x minus 8. In first two, we have got four terms now. So in first two, we are observing x is common, x minus 4. Here 2 is common in both. Take out 2, x minus 4. Clear? Now x minus 4 into x plus 2. So since what is 0? 0 of polynomial, recall again, 0 of a polynomial is that value which makes the polynomial 0. Clear? It means polynomial must be 0. And dx is equal to this. It means x minus 4 into x plus 2 must be 0. It means first factor will be 0 or second factor will be 0. It means x here you will write therefore. This is the last step. Therefore sign will be here. X is equal to minus 4 will be transposed that side, become 4, or plus 2 will be transposed that side, x become minus 2. Hence 4 and minus 2 are zeros of Px. This is the first part of the given question. Now we have to verify the relation of between zeros and its coefficient. So now you have to assume first zero is this 4 is first zero. You can name it alpha. Alpha is equal to 4, and second one is minus 2. It means beta is equal to minus 2. Therefore, alpha plus beta is equal to 4 plus minus 2. You can write 4 minus 2. You can write 4 minus 2, 2. Now, you know formula alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. But here value of b is minus 2. So, but here is plus, you can write minus into minus, again plus, and coefficient of x square is here 1. You can write here 1 is equal to minus, instead of minus 2 we can write b, and for 1 we can write a. We have to compare this with general formula of quadratic polynomial. So for b minus 2 and for a here 1 is here. Then we have to compare. And second part is alpha into beta. Alpha is 4 and beta is equal to minus 2. Minus 8 can be written minus 8 by 1. You observe from given polynomial, value of c is given here what? Minus 8. So here you can write c, and 1 is coefficient of x square, c by a. Hence verified. That is the verification part. And this type of question, when it is being asked in the board examination, if zeros is being asked, it will be asked either in 1 marks or 2 marks. If whole part is being asked, it is generally asked in 3 marks or 2 marks. So now this was the first part. Now I am going to solve third one of the first question.
Start.
Now we are in third part. I am leaving you second part for you. You have to do yours. You observe the third part of first question is given 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. So in general form you know ax square plus bx plus c. In that order you have to arrange and name the polynomial. Let bx is equal to 6x square, then x term minus 7x, then constant. Now you observe, you have again the same question as we have done in first. We have to factorize. 6 3 ja 18, 6 3 ja 18, and 9 2 ja 18, and 9 minus 2 7. Here minus, that's why we have to subtract. So 6x square, here you can write 9 minus 2 x minus 3. Then 6x square minus 9x plus 2x minus 3. Here in first two we observe 3x is common. The 2x minus 3. Here no number is common. If no number is common, it means 1 is factor of every number. So you have to take 1 as common. 1 into 2x minus 3. Then take out 2x minus 3, and here will be 3x. Write down. Here will be plus 1. Write down. Now we have got the factor. Similarly, since px must be 0 because we have to find out 0, it means this must be 0. It means first factor will be 0 or second factor will be 0 or 2x is equal to 3. Therefore, x is equal to 3 upon 2 or 3x is equal to minus 1 or x is equal to minus 1 by 3. Hence, 3 by 2 and minus 1 by 3 are zeros of px. Now we have to verify the relation between zeros and its coefficient. Now let alpha is equal to 3 by 2 and beta is equal to minus 1 by 3. Therefore, alpha plus beta, 3 by 2 plus minus 1 by 3. Take LCM, 6 will be LCM. Here 2 3 ja, 3 3 ja 9 plus here 3 2 ja minus 2. It means 7 upon 6. Now come to the question. Here b value is negative, but here is positive. The 7 can be written minus into minus 7. So we can write minus into minus 7 upon 6. And instead of minus 7, we can write b and for here a. And alpha into beta. Alpha is given 3 by 2 and beta is given 1 by 3. Now multiply. Minus 3 by 6. You observe? The minus 3 is here constant term and 6 is coefficient of x square. So c by a. Then you have to write hence verified. Now I am going to do second part of the question. One question. Now in question number second, we have to find a quadratic polynomial in which the sum of two zeros are given 1 by 4, that is the sum of zeros, and product of zeros is given minus 1. Let alpha and beta be zeros of px. Therefore, alpha plus beta means sum of 0 is given 1 by 4 and alpha beta is given minus 1. So therefore, the required quadratic polynomial, you have to write the formula px is equal to x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. Now you have to substitute the value. Alpha plus beta is given 1 by 4 x. Here alpha beta is given minus 1. You observe denominator. If denominator is coming in the given polynomial, you have to multiply by that denominator. If two different denominator, then you have to multiply by its LCM. Clear? To multiply by 4x square, then it becomes x, it becomes minus 4. This is the required polynomial. Similarly, you can try all the question. I hope you can do. Thank you.